Hey, what's up, people? This is Saurabh welcoming you to yet another video. And in this video, I'm going to give you my full review of Beast Funnels, which is a product which is going to be released on July 22nd at 9 a.m. Eastern by Brendan Mace. So I'll be showing you the members area of Beast Funnels. I'll be showing you my bonus page for all the bonuses which I'm offering if you decide to pick up Beast Funnels using my link, and I'll be also showing you the sales page of Beast Funnels. And finally, I'm going to give you my verdict of Beast Funnels, if this is going to be the right fit for you or not. So basically, Beast Funnels is a cloud-based tool that is going to create squeeze pages for you. There are few default templates which I've provided inside the members area, which I'm going to show you. You can use those templates. You can put your affiliate link. You just have to connect them to your autoresponder which you are using. And the catch. So what's the catch? What's unique about this? Sort of every funnel squeeze page does the same thing. Yes, the unique thing about these funnels is that on the same squeeze page, you can also set up push notifications. Push notifications are the notifications which you get from your browser, and also you can set up your bot list right from that same page itself. So you're going to build your email list, you're going to build your bot list, and you're also going to build your push notification list. So from one page, you're going to do all these three things. So now let me show you what I'm offering as a bonus if you decide to pick up Beast Funnels using my link. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. So once you click on that link, you will come to this page. And so as I told you, Beast Funnels is a software created by Brendan Mace, and what you're getting is quite shortcut. You get a completely done for you squeeze page. You only have to connect it to your autoresponder, and you can also connect your push notification and many chat as well. So now let me show you my bonuses which I'm offering. The first bonus, if you decide to pick up Beast Funnels using the link in the description, I'm going to give you my 60 minutes one-to-one coaching call where I'll help you in setting up these funnels, and I'll also assist you in driving the traffic, and in general you can discuss any aspect of your business with which you're struggling. So it's going to be 60 minutes one-on-one with me over a Zoom call, so you don't want to miss out on that. The next bonus which I'm offering is I'm going to show you how to create profitable solo ad campaigns, because you want traffic to these funnels which you are creating. So you could run solo ads as well, you could run organic traffic, you could run Google ads. So in this I'm going to show you how to run profitable solo ad campaigns. So it's a full-blown training which you are going to get. The next bonus is how to build up your list the fastest way. So the fastest way to build your email list. So again, it's going to be a full-blown training which will show you how you can build your email list, because money is in the list, so you would want your list to be built up. The next bonus, I'm going to give you 180 days email follow-up series. You just have to copy and paste them in your autoresponder, and then you're set for 180 days. That is next 6 months of emails which I'm going to give it to you. You are most welcome to customize them. You are most welcome to change them as per your needs, as per your business, as per your offer. But you're going to get these 180 days worth of email follow up, so you don't have to think, like, these can be uh, customized as per your offer, as I told you. So that's literally a steal. And you are also going to get 5 extra bonuses from this big list of 40 bonuses. So you can pick up any 5 of these and just email me on Saurabh at saurabhgopal.net, and I'll give you the access to these 5 bonuses. So these 5 bonuses plus the other 4 bonuses, along with the beast funnels, well, I think yeah, you're all set. So that is my bonus page. So the offer goes live on 22nd of July at 9 a.m. Eastern, and you just have to click on any of these blue buttons, and that will take you to the sales page from where you can make your purchase. And all these bonuses will be available to you right inside the members area once you complete the purchase, so you don't have to wait for bonuses to arrive. So bonuses will be available right there as soon as you make the purchase. So now let's take a look at the sales page of Beast Funnels and see what it looks like. So right now we are at the sales page, and the headline says, never before seen profit funnel creates free traffic instantly and generates you a 100% hand-free business. Person beginner friendly, yes, anyone can do this. Money back guarantee, so you're also going to get 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, if you're not satisfied with it, you can just request a refund. So this is the welcome video which you can watch, and then it's all about, you don't need any websites, domain hosting, no tech skills. You can triple your market reach for more sales in less time. And this is the man himself, Brendan Mace. So yeah, now come talking about the pricing for Beast Funnels. The front end of Beast Funnels is going to cost you $12.95, and you're going to get 5 done for you review pages. The first OTO is for $37. That's the platinum edition of the software, and I believe you can create those unlimited pages using the platinum edition. The OTO 2, which is the one-time offer 2, is for $197, and that will give you 20 done for you blogs for promoting top ClickBank products. So that's a good one. The OTO 3 is for $197, which will give you done for you multi-million-dollar system. The OTO 4 is for $197, and you're going to get unlimited traffic. And with the OTO 5, you're going to get the license rights to resell this Beast Funnels as your own product, and that is going to cost you $167. So this is the entire funnel, and these OTOs are optional. It's up to you. If you want to go with the OTOs, feel free to go with them. Otherwise, the front end, which is going to cost you $12, is good enough, and you're going to get all my bonuses with the front end. So now let me take you inside the members area. So this is how the members area looks like, and these are the different campaigns. Let's have a look. So yeah, you're going to get a page something like this. So let me just show you, and there is also an exit pop-up feature over here. So let me just show you how to create a campaign. So once we go in the Beast Funnels in the dashboard, then we click on add campaign, and right now I'm getting these 2 options. These are the 2 default templates, and let's put a campaign name. So let's put my name. Okay. Your link. So here you need to put your affiliate link for any product you're promoting. So for now, let's put this one. And the next is how many subscribers before a referral can change their affiliate link. So we can, so this thing, I'm not sure what exactly this particular feature does. It says how many subscribers before a referral can change their affiliate link. So maybe it's like after, let's say if I put 10, then after 10 subscribers are added in my list, then I can change the affiliate link on this particular page. And then you can put your name, and here you can also put your photograph. So for now, let's just pick this guy, and here is you're going to put the push notification script. You can promote same offer which you are putting over here, or you can promote a different offer here. And then here you put the ManyChat script. So all these trainings will be available right over here. You're going to get all these trainings tutorials inside the members area of how to put the ManyChat code, how to put the push notification script, and finally you just have to connect the autoresponder of your choice. And so it has created a landing page where you capture the email addresses. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, so this is the page it has created. So you have already connected your autoresponder, so once someone put their email addresses, they will be added to your autoresponder. And after that they will go to this thank you page over here. So here you have put in your picture, and here you can people can go to your affiliate offer. And here people can get added to your messenger bot list by clicking over here. So this is how this is the thank you page, and this is how it works. So let me just copy the URL, and let me just show it to you. Where did my thing goes? Let's copy my, okay, so I've copied the URL and I just paste it. Yep, let's enter an email address and see it goes directly to that affiliate offer which we put in. And here you get that thank you page. So since I put in the same affiliate offer, same link, so I got this page. So if you put some other link, and then there are different done for you options which are part of the OTOs, one-time offers which we covered, unlimited traffic. So these are the part of the OTOs, the one-time offers, which are, again, as I told you, they are optional, so it's up to you. So guys, that is about the members area. And now coming to my verdict. So if you are just getting started into affiliate marketing, or if you're already into affiliate marketing and looking for this kind of software, a squeeze page builder which can create those landing pages for you, so I highly recommend you going with this particular software. And the best thing about this is that you're going to build up three lists at one time, and you can promote three different products in one go. So that's the best part, and along with the bonuses which I'm offering, that's going to be a really sweet deal for you. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.